Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Bevo Campaign Editor. It's probably my favorite feature on the entire interface, and it's definitely the most time-saving aspect within the platform. So we'll start off by going to the PPC management section within your Bevo interface. Go click the Campaign Editor button, and here we'll see all your installed accounts for the big three. So I'll go forth, and we use AdWords for this example, so I'll click my AdWords account. Now we're going to create an account just as if we're actually on the AdWords interface. So I'll call the campaign name Campaign Test Demo. Daily budget, we'll say $25. We'll take it off Content Network. We'll have some negative video pics, negative keyword. Okay. So now we're going to go and create an ad group. Now there's two ways to create an ad group. You could add it one by one, so we'll just call it ad group 1. Oops. And then, just put 24 and no negatives. Or we could, if we go back to that page, we could add bulk ad groups actually. So similar to the AdWords editor, what we can do here is separate it by lines and tabs. So we'll go add G2, add G3, add G4. Okay, and now we'll just set the default CPC separated by tabs on each line. So we'll go 0.55, a tab, 0.66, tab, 0.77. And I just bulk added them, and as you can see, they all got added there at once. It's just a very fast way of creating multiple ad groups at the same time. Now we'll go to the ad variation page. Now this is also a very, I love this feature. It's a huge time saver. We'll go and create a headline. This is test headline. And then display URL.com. Alright, and check this box if you want to add the Bevo Media tracking variables. If you're using the Bevo tracker, you could put in the default tracking variables by checking that box. We won't do that for the sake of this example, but we will add to all. So when I check this box, this ad variation will get added to all of my ad groups within this campaign I just created. So I'll click that, and now that ad variation is on all of my ad groups. It's a huge time saver. Also, what we can do here is the bulk ad variation creation. So this is just a great feature. We'll go similar concept as the bulk ad group upload, except it's for ad variation. So every aspect of the ad variation is separated by a tab. So headline. Okay, so that's my headline. I hit tab, line 1. This is line 1. Tab, line 2. This is line 2. Tab, display URL, display.com, and destination URL, display.com. Alright, and we'll add this to all the ad groups within this campaign, and then we'll do bulk ad, and then there you go. They have two ad variations showing up for every single ad group. Okay, now we'll go to the next aspect of the campaign, which is keywords. And so now we get a similar concept as the ad variations and ad groups. We could either add the keywords one by one, or we could add them by bulk upload. So we'll show you an example with the with the one by one first. So we'll just say keyword 1, add keyword. Keyword 2, we'll make the bid price 0.55. Shows up right there. Or likewise, we could do it through the bulk method. So I'll show you right here. Keyword 3, keyword 4, keyword 5, and then separate the bid prices by tabs. So for this keyword, I'll do 34 cents, 25 cents, and I'll just keep keyword 5 by the default CPC. So bulk ad. There you have it. Keyword 5 has a default CPC of 0.34, which was the ad group bulk CPC. So now we got to go through all the ad groups here, and for the sake of time, I'll just do something quick here. Just to get keywords in all these ad groups here. Alright, there we have it. I think we have them in every group here. Alright, great. So now we'll go onto the review tab. Now you see here you can kind of review everything you just did, all the ad groups and all the keywords within each ad group with the ad variations. Now watch closely here. Now this is probably my favorite part of the entire feature. Now we have this all done for AdWords, but if you look down here, we can do this to my Yahoo with this click of a button. So I click this and it just cross-posts to the Yahoo, and you'll see here everything is all nicely listed and added to the Yahoo campaign. And now I'm going to go forth and put it on MSN as well. So I'll select my username of my MSN account on the drop down, and I'll click add, and boom, it's right there. Everything we need to have it live on the MSN campaign. So now we'll go back all the way back up and go to the output page. You could auto save it just in case you want to go back, or if something goes wrong you want to change things a bit. You could go back and edit the campaign, but we'll click build now, and there you have it. We put everything into the queue. It takes it between 15 and 20 minutes sometimes, but normally it takes about 5 minutes, but on average we could just say 15 to 20 to be safe. And they show up into your actual PPC account, and it'll show up in your Bevo Media account after the hourly cron. And to check your queue, you can check your results by clicking the campaign editor queue in your resource box. You'll click this right here, and light box will pop up right here on this page, and we can see the job is right here. We can show hide data right here. This is the whole job right here. You can see the process. This campaign got created. Now we can refresh the page and see that a few more got wrote. And you see here there was an error in the creation of the Yahoo account. Yeah, I have more than 15 campaigns in that Yahoo account, so that's a common error for that. I just gotta go and clear out that Yahoo account. But when an error happens, you'll see this red mark, and you'll pretty much, or the red background rather, and you'll see exactly what the issue is within there. And you'll see here, I could refresh again. This right here is the progress bar, and you see all the progress that made, and if there's errors you'll see the red within it. And now since that campaign didn't write correctly on the Yahoo, it's not all the Yahoo items are not going to write correctly because that campaign, they don't have a campaign to write to. But you kind of get the gist of things. It was super fast. This is how I write all my campaigns, and it's really designed to save time. So pretty much see it as the best solution out there, and like I said, my favorite feature within Bevo Media. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to shoot me email at help@bevomedia.com, and I'll be sure to help you out. Alright, thanks.